My name is Sashwat. I'm the co-founder of Primls. As I have already told you, it's privacy and machine learning services. And we are saving all the data companies from massive compliance fines. So what do you think is common in between like all these logos that I'm showing you? H&M, Google, Meta, Amazon, all of them are huge billion-dollar companies. But apart from them, there is one more common thing is that every year they are paying hundreds of millions of dollars in just fines. Fines due to compliance, irregularity, something like that. GDPR, HIPAA, all those are compliance regulatory authorities which are imposing a lot of fines on them. And why? The major top reason is because of this kind of notification. Have you ever used a phone and you have seen that permission, allow and deny wala thing? Yeah. In that, it's actually a very critical thing for every user, and for most of that, most of these kind of companies are actually not taking all the necessary permission for all the kind of data. And second, even if they do, they kind of misuse your data by taking your data for one reason and then misleading you and using that data into other. That's why these are the major fines happening there. Why do they do that is very simple. All the businesses want to use your data to the fullest of the capacity. But do consumers want that? Mostly no, because we don't want our data to get stored in someone else's server, and that's where the entire problem happens. There comes the role of GDPR, HIPAA, and all those compliance regulatory authorities, because they don't want to allow these businesses perform better analytics, better AI recommendations for their product. That's why every company, Amazon, Facebook, all of them are facing this $1 billion of regulations just because of this reason only. And the reason is we consumers can't trust these companies. That's why this is happening. But what if your consumers could trust you with your sensitive data? Just because you are, let's say you're a business, you're not even accessing any of their data, but still giving them the service that they are looking for. That's the thing we're building. So we have developed, we're working on a privacy preserving computation model that can actually enable these businesses to give services to their customers without even accessing any of their data. Think of it like you're searching something on Google and it's getting your history and tracking everything like that, and that's how they're giving you ads and relevant ad results, right? But recently in February 2023, Brave, a new browser, came with a different kind of version of Google Chrome, and in which they are not tracking any of your data but still giving you better ad recommendation and all. So that's the thing they have built, and we are building it for every single business on the entire planet. We have already done the training and the inference POC for OCR models. So for example, if you're writing something, we have already built an OCR model that can capture the entire thing in if you take the photo, it can capture the handwritten things. And we are doing it in a privacy preserving model manner. Right, we are a team of two guys. My co-founder is already a Meta-sponsored researcher. He's in Israel in one of the top most cybersecurity research centers. And I'm affiliated with IIT Bombay and IISER Mohali on this thing, and we have been working on it for 1.5 years already. We are building something like Google and Meta level of privacy for all the companies. What do I mean by all? Because you might be thinking this is for data companies only, right? But actually, every company is a data company. Even Nike can use the data to give, understand when they should ship more products like that. That's the thing. 360,000 data companies are in the US alone, and in various industries, analytics, infrastructure, applications, in all sectors. And we have built a unique way to actually present our case, because there are only 4 companies in the entire world who are actually trying to solve for this problem. And we, based on our target market, we're based out of India and focusing on Indian companies who are selling their products in the US and Europe. And we have a different target sector as well. 1 minute, right? So just give me a second. So we are not building it for any analytics or something like that. We're building for model specific. So for speech to text, for OCR, for all kind of models, we're building it, right? We'll charge a subscription fees of $500 per month for users, and that's how it will grow significantly. Imagine this, this service can be used for every data company in the world. That's why we're looking for 2 crores of funds, and that can be used to build our framework. Already we have built it for OCR model, but you can use that fund to make it for a complex social model, not like simple one. That's it. At the end, like I just want to say that all these things like IIT Bombay, Meta, Par, universities, I said all of them are actually helping us to build a new future where no one can dictate any businesses of how they should use their customer data because they are actually never using it. They are simply taking a different approach of like without storing anything personalized, they are using your data to give you results without even accessing any of it. That's it. That's the future we're building. Thank you.
So you have taken the time of judges to ask the questions. So we thank you.
It's okay. Like there are already
most of time limit of 5 minutes. So we gave you a warning in 3 minutes that your time is up. You didn't stop. Now our time is over.
So it's like I was actually informed.
No worries. Time to please. You can go.
If you have any questions, like I'll still be welcome.
No, we reserve our comments.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.